What is going on, guys? It is Kieran from Gen Z Finance. So guys, this is the portfolio for the month here, guys. Up 19%, $3,314. Just wow, crazy big numbers for my portfolio. Crazy gains in the past month. I'm loving it. Past week we're only up just about $300 or 1% there. I think Monday and Tuesday trading was just awful days, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday were just fantastic. So we got all those gains back and a little bit more on top of that. Friday was a fantastic day for the account. $400 or 2% up, which was phenomenal. NAT was up like 8% that day. Was driving that up. What else was up? Crazy. I think Beyond Meat was down. Dropbox didn't do much. Enbridge was up. QR Corporation. All of those juicy companies were doing fantastic that day. So my recent move was my Carnival Cruise Line sell. So I sold all 15 shares for a total value of $347 USD. So that came out Canadian, $439 there, $440. Commission, zero commission, but look at that exchange rate. I'm getting back on my dollar, 1.26. And then when I bought Dropbox with that, I paid a 1.30 exchange rate. Like, that is a really big difference. So that, like, they just took, like, I don't know, I'd say like $20 there. So basically I paid $20 in commissions if you think about it that way, because they took a crazy big cut on the exchange rate. So for most simple people, it is probably the best to buy Canadian stocks, but man, I see so much potential with United States stocks because there's so much growth there, and obviously there's a lot of growth in Canadian stocks too. Don't get me wrong about that, but that was just I love most of my stocks are U.S. stocks, and most of them are growth stocks as well. So that's what I did with that money. Carnival Cruise Line, sold that off, made a great gain on that, almost 100% my money. I only bought like $200 worth. So I got $439 there. Did fantastic on that. It was my first or second stock I ever bought in my entire life, and it paid off. It paid off pretty well. So I sold that around like $23 a share-ish. It'll probably keep going up, but you never know, man. You never know. They're releasing earnings in a week or so. So I'm just gonna sell that because earnings is gonna be absolutely awful, and that's gonna take a toll on the stock price as well. They're selling off their fleet. I think they sold off like 13% of their fleet, which is like a lot of ships for them. I don't know how many that is. I think it was like 20-ish, or like 15 ships, which is like insane, or like 10, around there. But you guys get the point there. I don't know. It's just you can see it going back up, but the amount of time it's gonna take back for them to get to that crazy profitability they were before 2020, it's gonna be a big journey, a big long journey there. So yeah, guys, with that money, I bought the one and only Dropbox Class A common shares. So basically we're up $7 right now. Dude, I just don't want it to move. I don't want it to move for like the next 6 months. If it stays at $20, $22 a share, or even $18 a share, bro, I hope it goes to 18. If it goes to 18, like, fantastic, bro. I'll be loading the boat like crazy. I just want to keep building the shares up. I don't want to start moving. Like, all the time I build positions, and then I'm just starting to build a position, and I love the stock, and then it just starts booming. Like, I'm like, okay, this is fantastic. Like, wow. I know that you're supposed to always have money on the sidelines, but man, like, I'm a kid, bro. I'm 18, right? Like, I don't have the crazy income. Like, I've started side hustles. I don't make that much money off the side hustles, but it's still good. I get like decent amount of money from there, right? But it's still like I'm in school for accounting and finance, and like there's not a lot of time for me to make money. Like, I can make like $400 or $500 a week at most, but man, like as soon as I start building that company up, it just starts booming up. I'm like, oh my god, like, great. Like, I love getting gains, but like I want to get bigger gains. Like, I'm getting $200, $300 gains, which is fantastic. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining at all. It's just, man, I want to build up those companies in the $3,000, $4,000 positions before it booms. But so I think Dropbox I will be able to build up the position soon enough. I just hopefully it doesn't start booming, but if it does, it is what it is. You move on and you find the best next stock. Guys, thousands and thousands of stocks out there, and there's a lot more stocks that will probably be performing better than Dropbox will be in the next 5 years, right? So always keep on the lookout, always keep researching for new stocks, guys. It is very important in this game if you're stock picking. For all you Afria holders, House passes bill discriminalizing marijuana at a federal level. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. This is what a lot of people have been investing in cannabis stocks for. And man, like, if that goes through, we're in for major gains. Us Afria holders. This is a stock that I'm up $500 on, almost 70%. It was a $700 position. Yet another stock I couldn't build into a position before it started booming. But still, fantastic stock. If the bill doesn't go through, not selling. If the bill does go through, not selling for many years. This company has a long time to run. Has long-term growth potential. They're expanding like everywhere. They're going to Europe, South America. Like, they're going to be one of the top players without a doubt. For all you Beyond Meat holders, guys, this company is a baby, man. It is tiny. $8 billion. Dude, they're only around like North America, United States, like that, and they're pretty small in the United States and in North America. Like, they're still a small company, but imagine like all the people that in Europe that want that. In Europe, what people want Beyond Meat products, guys. Like, this company has a long time to grow, and if they project that product into Europe and all over across the world, like, that company isn't going to be an $8 billion market cap, guys. And like the vision the CEO has. He is ride or die with this company. He has a vision, and he's going to execute properly, and he's a really intelligent man. If you listen to all those conference calls he's in, if you listen to all his interviews, he's just very passionate about the company, and that's exactly what you want behind a company like Beyond Meat. Like, Beyond Meat just started their European production. Like, man, this company has got a long time to grow, and revenues are going to increase drastically, guys. And it's not even about revenues. It's about, like, just competing for market share and getting more people to consume these plant-based meats, man. And a lot of people are moving towards it because it's a lot healthier, and just overall, it's just becoming a bigger industry in this current day and age. I've done my research, and I'm not worried. I'll just keep my money in there for the upcoming years. Don't even worry where the stock price goes. I'll be buying the dips, and it's just, is it going to be at an $8 billion market cap in 5 years from now? That's all you have to ask yourself, guys. And they have 5 years to increase that market cap. That's what you should be thinking about all the time. Not with what it's doing in 6 months from now, what it's doing in a year. In 5 years, how big is this company going to be? Guys, don't even forget, man. They got that McDonald's deal that, it might not be them, but, they have potential for it to be them. And I think it will be them because Beyond Meat, it's the biggest player, biggest known brand. You got Impossible, and then you have, like, Very Good Food Company, which is a smaller one. Everyone can have their mixed opinions on this subject. That's my opinion, guys. You know what I mean? Like, you can have your views. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion on Beyond Meat. Lots of people said that they don't like Beyond Meat. They don't see any growth there. But in my opinion, in the next 5 years, this company is going to be a lot bigger than it is today. So yeah, guys, those are my recent addings into my portfolio. So I just wanted to cover them, why I like the stocks a little bit there. I didn't want to go too in depth because that's not really what it was about. It was just about like my portfolio update, and that I sold Carnival and I bought Dropbox with that stock, with that money. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for sticking to the end, guys. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want more stock market related videos like this one. Make sure to turn on those post notifications because I do post almost every day or two, which, always got to stay consistent for the family out there. Love you guys so much. Thank you for all the recent support. You guys have been absolutely insane. I think making this video 163 subscribers, and about like last week or 2 weeks ago I was at 125. So all you new people, I appreciate all of you. And that being said, guys, have a great day.